Good morning, sir.
Any problem regarding my voice clarity?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Any problem regarding my voice clarity?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Not coming
No,
clearly.
sir.
You are not listening
No,
properly,
sir.
but I have put
Coming
earphone.
clearly, sir.
Yeah, okay. So tell me which chapter we are going to begin today.
Sir, page number 39, chapter 8.
Okay, let me open that page number. This one.
Yes,
This.
sir.
Okay, let us begin.
First chapter, first page.
The name of this chapter is written Being Thankful. Being Thankful. Okay, so let us begin. Being thankful. In our previous classes, we have completed the question and answer of chapter 7. We have completed, haven't we?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Expressing gratitude is a great virtue. Expressing gratitude is a great virtue which every human being should possess. It is a feeling whereby we express our thanks to someone. Expressing gratitude means what? Expressing gratitude means if someone helps you, if someone does something for you, so you have to say thank you. So saying these words, thanks, welcome, these things, these are called, gratitude, expressing gratitude. So expressing gratitude is a great virtue which every human being should possess. It is a feeling whereby we express our thanks to someone. We can express our gratitude in various forms. We can be grateful in our thoughts, words, and actions. When we say thank you, it means we are grateful. If we say thank you, means we are grateful. We should be grateful to everyone who is helpful to us. We should be grateful to God because He has blessed us with many good things. God has provided us so many things. He has given, our parents, brothers, sisters, house, shelters, everything. He has blessed us with all the goodies of life in spite of our so many offenses. Hence, we should say thanks to him from the bottom of our heart. Means दिल की गहराई से धन्यवाद कहना चाहिए. After God, we have our parents. After God's, we have our parents. They have brought us into this world. They look after us with great care and love. We should not forget to express our gratitude towards them. In day-to-day life, we meet so many people who help us in different ways. For examples, our teachers who teaches us the value of life, the doctors who look after the sick, engineer, policeman, etc. Therefore, it is very important that we should thank all of them. We live in a society and we need their help. So we should develop the habit of expressing gratitude towards everyone who is helpful to us. There is plenty of evidence that expressing gratitude dramatically increases our sense of well-being. Yet we consistently fail to do so. Most of us find a life without appreciation like a meal without flavor, or living in a world without color or without music. but the pace of modern life leaves little time to be grateful or awed by much of anything. Gratitude is not based on intellect, but it comes from the heart. So if someone helps you, if someone does something for you, so you say thank you by your heart, by your bottom of heart. You can pray for him. Being thankful to God means appreciating everything that God has given us. We should count the blessing. To be grateful means to recognize the love of God in everything that He has given us. Every breath we take is a gift of His love. So every breath is a gift of love. One does not need to wait until things become perfect before being grateful. Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It turns that we have into enough and more. It turns denial into acceptance. Just because of gratitude, it changes denial into acceptance, failure into success, removes all our problems. Gratitude is a feeling which improves one's personality and builds his or her character. It develops out of humility. It can be conveyed through our gratitude and behavior towards others. It can be a smile or a thank you or a gesture of appreciation. But gratitude cannot be legislated or forced. It will remain a stranger to any mind that lacks compassion. It must be demonstrated, but above all, it must be practiced daily. So these kind of good practice we have to practice daily in our daily life. Gratitude is a virtue of showing appreciation and being thankful. It is a mindful acknowledgement of all that we have been given. When we focus on the abundance in our lives, we discover a great capacity or generosity, cheerfulness, and contentment. Expressing gratitude is a rewarding habit that affirms the grace of the giver. Gratitude opens our hearts, encourages us to savor each gift that comes our heart way and magically frees us from jealousy. A Native American background tribe, Seneca Iroquois, celebrates Thanksgiving tradition extensively and in a thought-provoking manner. This tribal celebration lasts for 4 days. It has a formal order consisting of storytelling, teachings, silence, singing, drumming, chanting, rest, serving of special foods, and remembering all of things for which one should be thankful. Many people in the world receive good things from others, but they fail to express their gratitude to them. They do not even remember them or say a good word about them. Many parents are unhappy because their children have forgotten them and avoid them in their old age. These things are happening in these days. So these days are very, very dangerous, where parents are, taken out from his or her own house. Some children send their parents to old age home or shift them into outhouses or servant quarters when they grow old. Such act of ingratitude from us causes pain and grief to our parents and to all those who help us in times of distress. Such attitude from us may stop them from helping us in future. How disgraceful it would become. How happy they would become if we say a word of thanks to them. They would in fact bless us and pray to God to shower his blessings on us. Thus, gratitude is a sign of greatness. Now, on the basis of this gratitude, we have a very beautiful story. The name of this beautiful story is the thank you card. Let us study. Himanshu was a poor boy. So there was a boy whose name was Himanshu. Okay. He was an orphan. Orphan, you understand? Meaning of orphan means anath. Okay. Lavarish. So Himanshu was a poor boy. He was an orphan. His father died in riots when Himanshu was only 6 years old. When he was only 6 years old, his father died. His mother became seriously ill after this incident. Since his father was the only bread earner means only his father was only in his family.
Sir, your meaning?
You listen. In the family, only his father has a little bit earning. With the help of that earning, they used to eat or buy some things. So his mother became seriously ill after this incident. Since his father was the only bread earner in the family, they started starving. Means bhook marne lage. Seeing his mother ill and starving, Himanshu became helpless. He decided to find a job and start. Let us see page number 40. Open your book at page number 40. He started earning. So he went out in search of a job. He went from place to place and then from shop to shop asking for a job, but nobody gave him a job. Nobody gave him a job. He became helpless again. Now what should I do? Mother is ill and has not eaten anything for the last 2 days. He said to himself, oh God, is there anybody who could help me? He prayed to God. While walking, he was so much engrossed in his thoughts that he did not notice a car coming towards him. Suddenly, the car stopped near him and a lady came out shouting, can't you see? Where you are walking, you might have faced a severe accident. Means he was thinking and going. Himanshu apologetically folded both his hand and said, sorry, madam, I am really very sorry. My mother is seriously ill and I don't even have money to feed her. I don't know what to do. Saying this, he began to cry. He started crying, Himanshu. There was a gentle smile on the lady's face. She said, okay, sit in my car and take me to your mother. Himanshu sat in the car and directed to the lady towards his house. Fortunately, the lady was a doctor. She examined Himanshu's mother and said to him, your mother needs an urgent operation. She has to be admitted to a hospital immediately. Her condition is critical. Page number 41. Hearing this, Himanshu could not control his tears, but the lady pacified him. Don't worry, my boy, everything will be fine. Trust me and pray to God. So his mother was admitted to a hospital. After the operation, Himanshu's mother was fully cured and soon he was discharged from the hospital. Himanshu was very happy. The first thing that he did was he made a Thanksgiving card and wrote, "Thank you, madam," which you have seen in that picture just now. All throughout my life, I will pray to God that He blesses you. On receiving that card, the lady said, "Himanshu, this is one of the best cards I have ever received from anyone. I would treasure it more than all my possessions. I am a doctor and a social worker, but nobody has ever shown his gratitude the way you did. This has encouraged me to continue with my good work." So we have now moral of the story. We should show our gratitude towards people who are good to us, because just now we have studied this story and story is in our mind. So let us do first, let us complete first true false and fill in the blanks. These things we have to complete first. Open your book at page number 42. And now tell me, everyone, answer. We can express our dash in various forms. What will you write here? Gratitude. What will you write?
Gratitude.
Very good. Every breath we take is a gift. Is a gift of gratitude is a dash of showing appreciation and being thankful. Gratitude is a, what will write here? Tell me. Tell me, Nandani, Arnav, whoever is there, tell me answer. Third number. Gratitude is a
What get you?
virtue.
Great virtue.
Okay, gratitude
Great
is a virtue. Okay, right, great then. Great virtue.
You हटेगी.
Great virtue, right? Great virtue. Gratitude is a sign of love. Now we have to write yes and no. When we say thank you, it means we are grateful. Yes. Number one, right? Yes. Our parents have brought us in this world. Yes.
Yes.
Himanshu was a rich boy. False.
No.
No, we have to write no here. Himanshu did not express his gratitude towards the lady. No.
No.
Yes, yes, no, no. Okay.
थोड़ा सा मेरा पेज दो.
All of you have written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir, written.
So now we have question and answer. Question and answer we will complete in the school, in the class, because after 2 or 3 days school will reopen. On Tuesday, I think school will reopen. Okay.
Sir, what will be the time of school?
What did you say?
Sir, what will be the timing of school?
Timing, the same timing, 7:50 to 2 o'clock. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All of you need to reach school by 7:30 and class will start. Class will begin from 7:50. Okay. Anything?
Okay,
anything,
sir.
Anything to ask?
Sir,
Anyone? Yes.
There will be
tell me.
odd or even.
I think there will be no odd or even. I think now all of you will go. All of all students will go. By the way, you have to wait for the school messages. I am telling you, you will get the message in your campus care. According to message, you have to go. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
All
sir.
of you get the message. Okay, so today till here. In next class, we'll meet
Sir,
in the
timing?
class. Timing I told you. All things you will get in campus care message. You will get the message in your campus care. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Bye
sir.
everyone. Bye everyone.
Bye,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.